Looking for an affordable home in Perry School District? Well, look no further. This home is located at 305 Scarlet Oak Lane in Perry. It features 3 bedrooms, a full basement, and a great floor plan. As you enter the front door of this home, you're welcomed into a spacious living room with hardwood floors that is open to the dining area that flows into the kitchen area. The kitchen features good countertop and cupboard space, and the kitchen appliances are included. Down the hall off the living room are the 3 bedrooms and a full bath. This home features a full basement with great storage. The washer and dryer is in the basement, and there's a newer furnace and central air unit. It's got a great sized backyard that is fenced and has a nice large garden. My name is Barb Roll-Wyzga. If you'd like more information on this home, please call or text me at 517-712-8009.